There are a couple ways to output our variables, even though we know that we are using print to output our variables. So let's say that X Python is awesome. Then when we print it, we can see the output for this is Python is awesome. So basically, print is the only way to output the results within your terminal. And let me create another example. So let's say X is Python, Y is string is, and Z is awesome. So we can output it like this: X, Y, Z. So this will output the similar as before. Python is awesome. Besides using comma like this, you can also using plus. So for example, if we change this to be plus, this also will output similar result, but only everything looks together, not separated. But basically, the output is similar because we output the Python is awesome. So if we want to make a space in here, you can just use like this. We need to put F in here, then double quote, and this one will be X. Now, if we print, sorry, to make space in here. Now, if we print, Python is awesome. Another example, if you use plus for numbers, the plus characters work as a mathematical operator. So let's say x is 5 and y is 10. Now if we output x plus y, this will sum 10 with 5, which result to 15. Because plus in numerical or in number, it will make a calculations for mathematical operator. Basically, in the print functions, when you try to combine a string and a number with plus operator, Python will give you an error. So let's say that x is 5, y is John. This cannot be executed because x contains number or integer, while y contains with string. This will throw an error with type error unsupported operand for plus, integer, and string. So be aware of this because string and X cannot be executed because it will turn to type error. So the best way to output multiple variables in the print function is to separate this one, both of them with comma, which even support different data types. So this will output the expected result like this, as comma is considered as separator. This is the way how we output variables